If you find water leakage in your refrigerator, please check it according to the following steps. Cause summary. Water leakage in fridge reasons may be 1. Unreasonable temperature setting. 2. Food being too hot when put in the fridge. 3. There are gaps between the door sill and the refrigerator body. Solution. For the refrigerator temperature setting being too low, it is recommended to set the fridge room to 5 degrees. If the refrigerator is controlled by a knob thermostat, keep the thermostat in the middle position. Cool the food to room temperature. All foods are either wrapped or in covered containers. Check the refrigerator gasket is sealed. Adjust with a hair dryer or replace the seal of the refrigerator. If the bottom of the refrigerator leaks, may be caused by the drain pipe falls off or the drain pipe is detached from the water-saving pan. Open the compressor cabin cover, check the water pipe. If the water pipe falls off or the pipe is separated from the water plate, connect the water pipe again and put the water pipe into the water plate of the refrigerator. If problem is still not solved, please contact our higher customer service.